Hey, what's up, guys? Thanks for stopping by Casks-n-Que, where whiskey and barbecue meet. I'm your host, Justin Lloyd, and today we're doing a Juicy Lucy burger. Stick around. So Matt's Bar out of southern Minneapolis, Minnesota is the creator of the Juicy Lucy, and there's some stories floating around online as to how that name actually came about. But we're gonna cook one up and see how it goes. Let's go ahead and get our fire started in the old blaze Kamado with a couple tumbleweeds.
Here's some 80-20 ground beef.
Alrighty folks, a big storm blew in and tornado warnings and all kinds of stuff, so I had to start all over. So this is 80-20 ground beef. I just took it out of the package, and we're gonna form this up into about 4-ounce patties. So there's one we're just gonna do like so. There's the other one. And I have the blaze Kamado heating up right now. And I do have a Juicy Lucy that I started off camera. So this is just salt, pepper, onion, garlic. Sprinkle that on there pretty liberally for some good seasoning. We're gonna take some wax paper, cover that up. So next we're gonna take our Sasquatch burger press and flatten these guys out. Let me move this one out of the way. So just take you a piece of wax paper, make sure you have wax paper on your cutting board. We wanna make these pretty thin. It's kind of the goal here. So that looks pretty good. We'll do the same thing to this one. Smush it. And you can use a spatula or anything besides this. I mean, it doesn't really matter. All right. Okay, so the next thing is gonna be to add a couple of Kraft singles. American cheese is what I'm rolling with. You can do whatever kind of cheese you like. And what we're gonna do is fold this into quarters. Place it in the middle of the patty. Let's get that other one unwrapped. Keeping it simple, folks. There we go. There we go. So our next move is to take this guy, lop him right on top, and we gotta do some work here. So we gotta make sure that the edges are kind of pinched together so that the cheese doesn't melt. When it melts, that it doesn't leak out. Takes a little bit of work, but that's all right. Press down on that just a tad so that it cooks more evenly. I think we're good. What do you think? Does it look all right? Yeah, it does. Right, here we go. Like I said, I got another one going. We're gonna have 2 of these guys tonight. There we go. All right, so the blaze Kamado's rocking some B&B lump charcoal. We got a few chunks of cherry wood in there, and we're running about 350 right now. So we're gonna give it a slow smoke and hope to incorporate a bunch of that barbecue flavor into these burgers. Stick around. Okay, that other burger's looking really good. This one, I think it's time to rotate. So we get some good hash marks on there and we'll come back. All right, y'all, one of those burgers is ready. Let's go get it. Oh, it smells awesome. Okay, folks, bun, mayo. We're keeping it simple with our condiments today. A little bit of mayo. Then we're gonna go, not that much onion. Let's do one of these deals here. There, and there. I'm gonna build some pickles around that. And set this behemoth right there. Okay, see what we got here? Just topping that's a big burger. Okay, folks, I'm a little nervous. Here we go. Ooh. Nice and juicy. All right, guys, let's dig in and go with this one right here. Here we go. Oh yeah. Hey, do this. It's simple. Hey, you folks in South Minneapolis, good call. Juicy Lucy's a winner. Seriously, guys, there's nothing to this. If you can grill a burger, you can do this. Just follow the directions in the video. Hey, if you like what we're doing, go ahead and like, subscribe, and smash that bell. It helps us out a lot, and it helps us bring you more content. I'm Justin with Casks-n-Que, and we'll see you next time.